What is up, everybody, and welcome back to the Real South Dakota Man YouTube channel. Today, we're going dove hunting. Stay tuned. Filling a little Leroy up with some Go Juice. Sorry, my nerds, we will not be hitting you up today. Some other time. Boys, we are nearing the dove spot. We're gonna get there, get set up. The doves are starting to move already. Yeah, so we'll come back to you guys when we're at the super secretive spot. Boys, we're bogging deep. I'm holding this camera I'm holding this camera parallel to the ground, and this is, oh my gosh, just the angle that we're at with the truck.
Back to level ground.
Bigger more.
Ah, what? Grasshopper.
I just got I'm like looking through the screen, all of a sudden I just see this thing like an absolute doink me in the forehead. Look at all the dudes over on the power line. Alright boys, we're here. We're ready to hunt. We got gun, boat us, gotta slap those babies on. Right.
Here, I'll sit.
This is our professional spread. American Hunter, please sponsor us. Okay guys, so let's start hunting. Alright boys, Nick is out there, he's got a dove down. I wasn't filming it because I had to take the truck way over there. But yeah, so it's shaping up to be a good day. Nick is slapping on the GoPro head mount. We had a bit of a spurt there right to begin with. Oh, Rudy.
SD card full.
Oh, kind of slowed down a little bit. Rudy's being a bit of a dumace. And yeah, we're trying to get our tech situation figured out, but hopefully we'll kill more than one bird in this video.
Yes, we will. We're gonna get the second one shot. I'm shooting. Get him, Rudy! Oh yeah, baby. Look at that, 2 more coming, Shop. Here. We actually got one on camera, Shop. Oh! Get him, Rudy! No. Just mark it. You got it marked? I'll go get it. On the bird.
So a little bit of an update, guys. We've been sitting here probably about a half hour. We've killed 4. I haven't really had the opportunity to shoot at any. We finally got 1 on camera on the GoPro, so that's good. Yeah.
It'll get better, maybe.
Yeah, maybe. The shadows are getting pretty long, so I don't know.
We haven't hunted here before, and we scouted it like a week and a half ago, so. And we were like, man, it could be mediocre.
Yeah, that was the best rating we gave it on a scale from meh. It was a meh. So that's where we're at right now.
We'll see. Hey. Oh, we got 2 more coming, maybe. Right here, Shop. Rudy! Right here. Shoot him, Shop. Shoot him! There! Get him, Rudy! What? Get him, Rudy! He's on the road! Oh, there's 4 more. Come on, doves. Come here.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Since I last talked to you, I think we got 2 more doves. Rudy's still being a quad dumace. Nick kind of bulled out of here. He's way over there. They were flying across a road ditch, so he just he left me here to hold down the fort and the dog. So that's where we're at right now, guys. Stay tuned. We'll come back to you guys either with some more hunting or another update.
Bunch of honkers over that way. Getting off the slough. Yeah, baby! There it is. Got you, buddy. Oof. Got him. Two rid of them. Maybe I think they're coming. Maybe. Or they're going the other way. I think they're going the other way. Solid. Oh, here's one. Come right at me. Wow. Wow. With that one coming. Too far. Good. Gotta scoot that way just a little more. There he is. This boy was heckin' dumb. Didn't get a chance to get it on video, but pounded him. Saw him land out here. Let's see if I can get him. Let's go.
All right, boys, so we're packing up right here. They're not really coming over here, they're going to a different area. So we're just gonna head over there and set up our spread over there. It's getting a little late towards the evening. I've shot 3 doves off camera. Nick's shot, I think, a couple over there. You'll probably be seeing those clips. I'm not sure how many he actually took video of, but yeah, so we're all packed up for right here, and we're gonna head over there. So yeah.
Gotta get him on film before I shoot him. He's right at shop, I can't shoot him. Got him. Get him, Rudy. Get him. I see him from here, you idiot. Come on. I'll get it. Don't need these stupid dogs these days. Come on. Wow, that is gay. Didn't even come in. 2 snipes. Look at those things right here. No, you can't. It's probably not season shot. Rudy, here. We'll research it, man. You don't have steel though.
Yeah. Okay, so a little update for you guys. I think we've killed 5 more. We've got a couple on camera, I think. This is probably really zoomed in on my face. We'll see. That's not too bad. We've killed about 5 more, and we're getting close to our limit. I think we're probably at like 23 by now. So yeah, that is where we're at. So we'll come back to you guys maybe with more hunting, or maybe we'll have limited out. I don't know. So we got 1 more since we last convened with you boys. Nick is right there chasing down a dove that he shot, and it flew kind of a long ways and then went down. So that is where we are at right now. 24, baby. 6 more and we have a limit. Alright guys, we're closing out the day. I think we ended with like 28, so 2 away from our limit. We were so close, but we just couldn't get it. Sunset. We don't want to be the back of the handbook hunters, you know. So we are just packing up and we'll be out of here. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I don't know if we'll really focus on me, dang it. I don't know if I really have time for like a catch, clean, cook type thing, but yeah, so that's pretty much it. We'll do an outro with Nick when we're back in the truck, but just thought I'd let you know, 28 is the final number. We didn't get that many on camera, cause like filming hunting, especially like small bird hunting, is so difficult in the fact that just filming, like it's so 95% of the time, it's so impulsive that you don't have time to do anything with the camera, and even if you do, a lot of times if you move too much, it'll spook them away. So I don't know. I don't know how awesome this video is gonna be, but I know that Nick got a couple. Like good head cam shots and stuff. So yeah. So we'll do an outro in the truck. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching this episode of Real South Dakota Man. And yeah, if you liked it, remember to like this video and subscribe to the Real South Dakota Man channel. New videos every Thursday. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Stay tuned.